It's moments like those that you wonder if you're going to be able to play with your daughter again normally, if you're going to be able to do what you need to do to keep your family, provide for your family. It's moments like those that you just realize to yourself that I need to do whatever I can to make myself better. Yeah. My name is Victor Rios. I live in Portland, Maine. In May of 2017, I was in a car accident. I was driving home from work in South Portland on Maine Avenue, and I was just going with the flow of the traffic, green light, approaching the light, and noticed a vehicle coming in pretty hot on my left. And I just remember driving and not minding too much, listening to my music. And then I saw it getting closer and closer and thinking, wait a second, this isn't normal, wait. And then I just remember bracing myself and starting to turn the wheel a little bit. They came really hard, crashing on my left side. And I definitely was out of it for a moment. Came to, I just remember shattered glass everywhere, smells, burning, all the airbags went off, and all I really wanted to do at that point was go see my family. I had a 3-month-old at the time, so I also remember, if anyone has a 3-month-old or a little child, you kind of are you're in the zone whenever you're not with them, especially because you're with them all the time. You think that they're with you. So if you go to the grocery store by yourself, you think, oh, do I have my kid in the back seat? So I remember looking at myself while I was sitting there for a while, and the glasses were broken and thrown off, and I looked in the rearview mirror and the car seat was just rocked. So I thank God that my daughter wasn't in the vehicle at the time. I just felt as if I just came out of a workout. And then after a few days, I started to feel pain in my hip and my shoulder and my neck a little bit. So a few days later, that's when it just kept on feeling worse and worse. I didn't have insurance at the time. I was very concerned with who am I going to go see, and who do I not want to go see. I didn't want pain medication, which sometimes is the go-to in these situations. I had known about Dr. Lou locally through colleagues, and I had heard nothing but good things, so I reached out to him. My initial visit with Dr. Lou was pretty standard, talking about the accident like I'm doing right now, and then examination, and then coming up with a plan. I had a lawyer involved, and Dr. Lou was very willing to work with me on payment, with the thought that down the road there was going to be a settlement. I followed the plan that Dr. Lou gave me, and everything worked out great. I'm back in the gym. I went back to strength training. Some of the concerns when this happened was, am I going to be able to work? Am I going to be able to play with my daughter? Am I going to be able to do all the things that I want to do physically, which obviously affect us mentally? And I was able to achieve that with the help of Dr. Lou, and it worked. I mean, that's really what it comes down to. when I think chiropractor, I think Dr. Lou.